me, sir.
Mm-hmm.
You're not supposed to be working on this bus yet.
Well, I gotta take a look at the fuel tank because there's a sale on the fuel tank, and I want to get it for Black Friday sales. But let's see, we're stuck in here. There is a, how do I get this in here? A quick one. That. So they have, I can't really see it. This rusted right out, this bolt.
Shocking.
Broke right off, so. Well, there's a sending unit on here. I don't know if it's, I can pull on it maybe. Okay, yep, that was a clamp, perfect. And then this one's a fill up, so I'll get a fill or a flat head. Take that out. Okay. There. Put this back. I think I smell old gas. I don't know if this tank is salvageable. I was trying to take it out to see if it was rotted out or not. Because I smell old gas for sure. That is a definite.
Gas cap.
Yeah, I pushed it out. I disconnected the cap.
Seems pretty stuck over there.
All this in here. Free up. I'll be able to look through the top once I take that out and see what it really looks like in there. See if that may help. Get a 10mm and what do they look like? Yeah, okay. It's not a 10. A 9. What's in that? All right, the size for the sending unit, they're 9mm bolts. Odd. And a little screwdriver. Rusty in there. It's pretty bang, sure. It's pretty rough. concern is if there's rust in here. So, looks like there's a hole in here. So, I think we're gonna probably go with a new tank. Yep. Well, CIP had a special on the fuel tank. I think it was like $159 or something like that. So we might do that. That's a split bus tank. Some people they'll upgrade to a bay window tank. I don't know if I'm gonna quite do that. Just to get a little more fuel in the tank. If you go, the bay window bus has a bigger fuel tank. So I may go that option. We'll see what the prices are. Well, we got the fuel tank out. I wanted to see what the fuel tank looked like because there's a sale going on right now on CIP for a new tank. It's over $100 off. So it's a split bus tank. I don't know if I'm gonna go split bus or like a bay window tank where we'll hold more fuel. We'll address that later, but I gotta get some of the mouse nestage out of here. All right, guys, Alfonso's leaving in 4 days, so we're gonna spend a lot more time on the 61. I'm gonna be needing parts, metal pieces, corners, everything. Maybe if you guys have some leads on some metal, just let me know. That'd be great. In the Florida area, hopefully. But yeah, so fuel tank, engine, we're gonna get it running first. That's gonna be the main thing. Running, make sure the brakes work. I got all new brakes for it. Gonna order fuel tank. I got the engine that my friend was letting me use that I had in the 71. I'm gonna put in here, and that's what we're gonna do. So big project. A lot of time is gonna go into this bus. So stay with us on the adventure. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.